What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Polygon, and as we can see, it looks as though, obviously things have been going much better recently, haven't they, in spite of everything that's happened in the past few months. Polygon at an all-time high of around $2.70. Obviously, this is pretty much the day where we had the massive crash in May. We come down, obviously, all the way down to around, 75 cents. Had a massive bounce to the upside. Obviously formed this huge descending wedge, which we've now been in for, we were in that for some time, weren't we? Big fake out to the downside to absolutely wreck everyone. Basically probably stopped out all the longs here that were long in the bottom of this, and also all the shorts that started short in the bottom got wrecked as well. And then obviously massive pump to the upside, broke out of resistance here, broke out the 20, broke out the 50, flipped bullish on the EMAs on the daily time frame here, very bullish as well. And as you can see, the rest is history really, isn't it? We've come all the way up. We basically consolidated between the EMAs, really bullish, come up, broke out and back tested it, and then obviously started to run and make our way up through the levels here, aren't we? You can see we're having a bit of a pullback today, which is fair enough, because obviously a lot of cryptocurrencies are getting quite overextended right now, and they do need to, potentially come back and find a bit of support before that next leg up. And it does look as though, Polygon is potentially rolling over here just to retest some price support. It's currently finding support at around that, we believe, that 138-ish level, 136, 137 there. Basically where we've had this previous candle, close. We are coming down and retesting some of that now. But just do anticipate, obviously, with Bitcoin and Ethereum having massive pumps recently, if we do start to see cryptos in general rolling over, then Polygon, it's made a lot of support, hasn't it? It's made a lot of structure. When you actually look here, you can see there's quite a large order block here. There's a lot of chopping and changing of the price action, similar to how it was here. So if Polygon does roll over, it does actually have quite a lot of support here, which you can fall back on, which is good to see. And we basically want to be seeing that pullback really for continuation, don't we? Because we can't go up in a straight line forever. It's not healthy. And it's not realistic to expect things to go up in a straight line like this forever. So what we really want to see is obviously that trend reversal, that full trend reversal that we've been looking at for a while now. Because basically what's happened here is we've come down, made a low, haven't we? And made the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We've come all the way down like this, and now we've actually come up and we've made a higher high, haven't we? So that trend reversal is on the card still. Very much, with everything reversing off the bottom here, it seems likely that the trend reversal is there, but we do want to see that higher low as well, coming back down, testing some support, and then making another higher high, just so we can see that full trend reversal. Because until we see that, there's always the potential that Polygon can roll over and make a lower low and then just continue downwards like this. So we do need to see Polygon back test some support, find some really good support, and then have another leg up to show a lot of strength. And we do think with Ethereum and Bitcoin, etc., just having big move to the upside, really, with really not much stopping at all, especially for Ethereum. It poses a little bit of concern to us, just because it could roll over really quickly and potentially drag the market down with it. So just something to be aware of. But as we always say, it does look as though things are looking up for Polygon. We do think it's going to have a really nice run over the next few weeks. But obviously with things getting quite overextended, there is always the possibility of that rollover to retest price support, which is completely fine, and really bullish in our opinion if we could retest and find good support in around this area here for another little run up to the upside. Obviously we've got the 20 and the 55 now as decent supports, especially now we flip bullish again. So we flipped both of those into support from previous resistance here. You can see all the way down pretty much. We've been stuck under the 20 here. And then the fact that we flipped these both into support now, and we've actually started to run away with things, really does show that things are starting to get back on the upside for Polygon. And, you know, things in general looking up, aren't they? You can see quite clearly on this chart a big descending wedge, obviously fake out to the downside. But, you know, the technical target for a descending wedge is where you formed it. And we will keep saying this, at around that 240 level. Maybe even the all-time high of 270 if that's where you could technically draw it from. But you can see the thing, you know, Polygon is showing a lot of strength, isn't it? It's doing really, really well. Obviously, if a lot of people a few weeks ago, it's about a month ago now in reality, isn't it? If I told you a month ago Polygon would be at $1.50 from 60 cents, everyone would have gone, no, we're in a bear market. You know, all the nonsense that you get generally on Twitter and on the some of the comments on YouTube. Obviously, a lot of people are convinced we're still in a bear market, probably just the bears hanging on to their shorts, hoping that things will go down. And, you know, they may do, but we're showing a lot of signs of strength there, aren't we? And objectively, when you look at this chart, it's looking very bullish, isn't it? We come down and we found that 618 Fibonacci retracement as a really good support, didn't we? We come up, obviously broken out of 3 key levels of resistance here, back tested as support, flip bullish on our EMAs. So as far as we're concerned, you know, things are starting to look really good, aren't they? You can see obviously these big bullish divergences on our RSI, on our histogram, etc. as well, obviously showing the bigger picture. And you can see obviously we've got ridiculously oversold as well on our RSI. And since then we've had that really good bounce to the upside, haven't we? So pretty clear in our opinion. You know, things looking really good for Polygon, aren't they? If we take a quick look at the hourly chart here then, just to finish off. In terms of the short-term price prediction, it does look as though we are getting rejected off this level here. And if we do start to roll over for the wider market, we'll be looking at, you know, this level here at around 125 as good support. Maybe coming down to around this 120 level as well. This previous swing high would be a really decent amount of support if we did roll over, for example. But if we do manage to, you know, keep pumping and rip through this 150 level, we are looking towards that 170 level as our next price target, as we always say. Things looking really, really good for Polygon. In the short term, those would be our price predictions. If we roll over, that would be a nice level of support. If we keep pumping, this would be our next key target, that 170, 175-ish level. And then in the long term, as we always say, we do think $5 to $10 is possible for Polygon. This is a project that, you know, has got to $2.70 previously. So we think, you know, a 2, 3, 4, 5x from that price by the end of the bull run is not unreasonable at all, considering the size of its market cap as well. Not to mention its ecosystem, which does continue just to, you know, grow and grow and grow, providing a lot of value in the face of those ETH gas fees, still ridiculously high. So really, really good project. We think this is going to do very well in the long term. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.